create all kinds of colourful checkerboard designs just from a simple rectangle shape. Now I've just created a rectangle, filled it with black, then go to Filters and down to Colours and Procedural Texture. But before I do that, I'm actually going to use Composite Red this time, Composite Green in the Channels panel. So I'm just going to go to Composite Red, so click on that, and now go to Select and Selection from Layer. I just want it applied to that rectangle. Filters, Colours and Procedural Texture. So this is going to be in the red channel only. Well, with that I can go down here, and the great thing about it, lots and lots of presets. So checkered. Now you could use colour channels here. You've got RGB. Well, what you can do, I can modify this. So instead of RX, I'm going to put bracket RX minus RY. And that's for the red channel. And you can modify a number of square counts, maybe like C. I'm going to go for 29. Click Apply. Now you can see the result over here. That's in the navigator. When you're using channels, you can only see the true colour in the navigator. Then you go to the green, so select the green one. Again, Filters, down to Colours, down to Procedural Texture, and do exactly the same. You could of course use another perfectly reasonable preset. So all these presets, well, ones you've got. So checkered, you should have checkered. That comes as default. So again, you can modify this. This time maybe go over here and say RY minus RX. Something like that. And again, this is using RGB in here. And again, you can modify it, maybe go for 20 instead of obviously 25 as default. And click Apply. And now you've got the result over there. Composite blue, select that one, and then go to Filters and Colours and Procedural Texture. And again, exactly the same preset. Now you could use any of the other presets. Use exactly the same approach with smoothed, all those sort of ones. So checkered. And again, you can change this. Maybe just keep it the same. Don't have to change the equation. I've changed the equation with the other ones, but I'm just changing, in this case, the square count. So click Apply. Then, if you go to Navigate it, you can see the full-on colour design. Also, if you want to bring it back to RGB, just click here. And you can see now you've got a super colourful design very quickly just by using the Colour Channels panel along with Procedural Texture, just a standard preset within that. And of course, you can modify this even more. So select and deselect, and you can then manipulate this design, maybe use it with other filters. Go to Filters, Distort and Deform, and you could use colour channels there as well. And just distort it. Just select there and just drag and distort in all kinds of ways. Once you're happy, click Apply. And there it is, a very quick, super colourful design using Procedural Texture. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Bye.